In this video, let me show you how to turn off ambient light in Dongfeng Box. Let's begin. Alright, so as you can see, let me start just from the beginning by using the home screen. Here all you need to do is use the apps icon, one on the down corner, right down corner. Choose here the vehicle settings right here. As you can see, here you've got access to light tab. This is the second tab from the left. Let's tap it, and here you've got interior lights. So here you can use the ambient lighting. As you can see, I've got this feature turned on, so my car is always using the ambient light, but I can choose auto, and now the car will decide when you should use the ambient light. So if it's dark enough, it will automatically switch on the ambient light, or you can choose off, and the car will just completely switch off ambient light. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.